To connect your Samsung Galaxy A05 with a car, first let's open our settings. Then we need to navigate to the Connected Devices tab right here, and then select Android Auto. It should transfer you to your Google Play Store. Make sure you're logged in and you have internet connection to update this app to its newest version. So when the update is done and our app is fully installed, we'll be able to click on Open, or we can go back and click on Android Auto in Connected Devices. Right here we need to select Connect a Car and then follow the instructions on screen. Firstly, also connect your phone to your car using USB cable, and after that you should be set and your car will be successfully connected with your phone.